Good morning, gentlemen. Today it's the maintenance day on my mower deck on my John Deere. This year, during the winter time, I discovered a channel. Will have it if you look at the description of written description under my video. You will find where did I find that information. And he was telling on his video, then the bearings who hold the. I'm gonna show you that. The This is the spinning right here like this, and that make the cutting blade under works. All right. Well, these are held by two bearings, one on the top and one on the bottom. And on the manual maintenance, you need to grease there so many hours. And what happened? Oh, by the way, what I'm talking about maintenance, my yearly maintenance is I repaint everything, oil, grease, so there's no corrosion. All right. And basically, the guy was telling them the two bearings were all one on the top, one on the bottom, and the grease zerk was between, and he's just putting grease for whatever reason, and they were not greasing this bearing, and he was telling them he used to change 100 of them per year. So he made a video about it, and it was very interesting. So basically, he showed in the video how to pop up one of these just using a razor blade like this, a cutting knife, and just pop it like this, and it's very easy to remove. I did it myself. So and yes, it is true, the grease is almost burnt dry. I cut it. I changed these bearings about maybe 5 years ago, and they were starting to get dry. So and I was wondering why they're going dry. So by this video was good. So just to show you the grease, it's there, but it's getting dry. So by putting only one seal, you just put the seal one on the top like this, and the one seal you remove on the, so the grease does touch those bearings, and it does. So just a quick video about I mean, it's common sense. And the guy was also saying it's not only John Deere, Husqvarna, all those mower deck, they're basically built the same way. So I'm gonna try that this summer and let you know during next spring if it works or not. All right. So have a good Sunday. Cheers.